Hi guys. Hi guys. Wanna look at my dad? Look at my mom. No, I'm kidding. Mommy, look at my flowers. Yeah, guys. My mom can them, but my mom don't want to look at them. Look. Okay, guys, I'm like.
Pull the camera away a little bit because they can only see your mouth.
Yeah,
There
guys.
you go, there.
You only can see my mouth that way. You saw no, guys? Okay. I will show you my dogs. Cassie! Look at the camera! Yeah, guys. My dog is... What?
What was their name?
Oh,
Did you tell them the name?
that one is Gus, and that one is Lola. This one is gold, that one is a boy. Yeah. Yeah, guys.